Good afternoon, students. Welcome to chapter 6 Weight and Value. Already we started this lesson. All of you studied that basically in our daily life we are using weight because we are going to some kirana shop, provincial store. We are asking them 10 kg, 3 kg, 1 kg, 1 kg sugar, 2 kg sugar. We are asking that type. Okay. Already we discussed 1 kg equal to how many grams? Who is telling 1 kg equal to how many grams? Yes, 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Already we discussed it last class. Then half kg equal to how many grams? Half kg equal to 500 grams. Then 1 by 4 kg equal to how many grams? 1 by 4 kg equal to 250 grams. This is the basic things. Today we are going to discuss about addition of weight. Addition of weight. This is the very important because already all of you studied how to add the problems. Okay. Now, one thing you should remember clearly: when we are adding the weight problems, we should follow compulsory. You should add kg to kg, gram to gram, because they are given this type question: 2 kg 600 grams and 7 kg 550 grams, and this type problems given means in your examination. First of all, you should write it is one line question, but it cannot be possible to add the one line. You should write kg below kg, grams below grams. 2 kg 600 grams plus 7 kg 550 grams. Yes. Then 0 plus 0, 0 only. 0 plus 5, it is 5. Any number you should add with the 0. Our answer should be that number only. Okay. Now 6 plus 5, how much? 6 plus 5, 11. Compulsory you should carry the next number. Keep here carry 1, then you should keep here 1. Understand? It is 150 grams. Again, you should add kg to kg. Here 7 kg and here 2 kg. 7 plus 2, 9, and 1 carry 10. It is 10 kg 150 grams. Understood? Okay, all of you write down this problem. Write down fast. Okay, next problem we are going to discuss. In your textbook, one problem is there. Second one, 15 kg, 750 gram, 13 kg, and 227 gram. Add the problem. This type problems given means 15 kg 750 gram, again 13 kg and 227 gram and add. One is given kg, another one is given gram. One is kg, another one is gram. Okay. First of all, you should write one below one. 15 kg 000 gram. Because of addition should be easy, that's why you should keep here zeros. Empty place means you should keep there 0. Then addition symbol, but here not kg given, only grams are given there. It is 750 grams. Okay. Then again 13 kg is there. 13 kg here 00 kg. Because of addition should be easy. Then here also 00 gram. Then last one is 200 00 kg 227 gram. Yes. Now you should add the problem. Okay. Here 0 0 0, here 7. Then you have to keep here 7. Then 5 plus 2, it is 7. Then 7 plus 2, it is 9. Okay, it is 9 gram. Then again you should come here, it is kg. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 0, only 8. 1 plus 1, it is 2. The answer is 28 kg 977 gram. This is the final answer. Okay. All of you write down this problem. Write down fast. Next problem we are going to discuss. Second one. A shopkeeper has 100 kg of rice. 100 kg of rice flour in his shop. If he sells 45 kg of it, find the quantity of rice flour left in his shop. This is the question. First of all, you should understand which fundamental operation apply this problem, because the fundamental operations there are 4 fundamental operations. First one is addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are the fundamental operations of mathematics. You should read carefully the problem. A shopkeeper has 100 kg of rice. Because one shop is there, that is the provincial store. That provincial store, there are stocked in a godown. How much kg of rice? 100 kg of rice. 100 kg means this is equal to 1 quintal. This is equal to 1 quintal. All of you wrote that already. 1 kg and 1 ton and 1 kg equal to how many grams and centigram, milligram, decigram. All of you wrote that one. You have to open it, read that all. Flour in his shop, if he sells 45 kg of it, but afterwards he is sold out how much kg of rice? 45 kg of rice is sold out. Find the quantity of rice flour left in his shop. But how much rice is in stock in the shop? We should find out that one. But first of all, you should write answer. Before that answer, you should write the what is given here. That statements should be right. Total quantity of rice is 100 kg. How much? 100 kg. Then the sold out rice quantity is 45 kg. Sold out means already left that rice. Okay. Then we should sold out means that should be less. Less means here we have to do subtraction. Okay, subtraction. First of all, it is 0 and it is 5. 0 is not subtracted by 5. That's why you take a borrow. It is 10. 10 minus 5, always 5. Then again here 0 is there. 0 is not subtracted by 4. That's why you again take a borrow. Then 10 minus 4 and 1 carry means it is 5. 10 minus 5, it is also 5. Then 1 minus 1, it is 0. Then it is 55 kg. Remaining rice quantity is 55 kg. Remaining rice quantity is 55 kg. Okay. All of you write this question red pen and answer should be blue pen. Write down fast. Next problem. There are third one. There are 4 members in Raju's family. The ration shop gives 12 kg of rice to each member. Then what is the total quantity of rice the family gets. Remember, all of you, look at here. There are 4 members. One family is there. That family, how many members are there? Total 4 members are there. Okay. Then all of you know that ration shop in your village. Ration shop is there, and monthly one time there gives ration for each candidate. Because of your staying in 4 members means they are given 40 kg. Because of nowadays 10 kg are available there. Okay. Now the ration shop gives 12 kg of rice to each member. In this family members there are 4 members, but each member means one member got 12 kg of rice in a ration shop. What is the total quantity of rice the family gets? ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ಎಷ್ಟು ಕೆಜಿ ರೈಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾರೆ? that one you should find out. ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ 12 kg ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, ಬಟ್ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್ 4 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗಿವನ್ ದೇರ್ ಯು ಶುಡ್ ರೈಟ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್. ಟೋಟಲ್ ration shop gives total ration each person is 12 kg. Each person is 12 kg. The total number of members are into 4, because multiplication means one member got 12 kg means 4 members got how much kg. ಒಬ್ಬರಿಗೆ 100 kg ಸಿಕ್ತಂದ್ರ 4 ಜನರಿಗೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, that one we should find out. Means we have to do their multiplication. First of all you should read the problem, then you have to understand which fundamental operation apply. Already I told so many times. Then here you should do 4 2s are 8, 4 1s are 4. Then it is total quantity of rice is 48 kg. Total quantity of rice is 48 kg. Okay, all of it write down that. Dear students, look at here. Exercise 6.1 is there. Exercise 6.1 is there. Answer orally. Albert buys 16 kg of Janjeer and 15 kg rice from a shop. He puts both the pockets into one bag. What is the total weight of the bag? He purchased how much kg? 16 kg and 15 kg. 16 plus 15 how much? 16 plus 15 how much? That one you should write in answer orally only, how to tell. Then here 62 kg of rice was supplied to the school under Akshara Dasoha scheme. If 15 kg of rice was used, find the quantity of rice remaining. There are total 62 kg rice supplied to Akshara Dasoha scheme. ಅವ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 62 kg ರೈಸನ್ನು ಸಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಓನ್ಲಿ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ 15 kg ಆಫ್ ರೈಸ್ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಯೂಸ್ಡ್. ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿ ಆಫ್ ರೈಸ್ ರಿಮೈನಿಂಗ್. ಯು ಶುಡ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಟೆಲ್ ದ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ಓಕೆ, ನೌ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ this is questions are there. A bag can hold 20 kg of soji. If 140 kg of soji is to be filled equally, how many such bags are required? ಒಂದು ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಒಳಗೆ 20 kg ಸೋಜಿಯನ್ನು ತುಂಬಿದ್ರೆ 140 kg ಆಫ್ ಸೋಜಿಯನ್ನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ದೊಳಗೆ ತುಂಬಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿವೈಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು. 140 kg ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 20 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಿಕ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತಿರೋದನ್ನ ಓಕೆ. Then a merchant has 5 packets of sugar, each packet weighing 15 kg of sugar. What is the total weight of 5 packets of sugar? ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ದ ಶುಗರ್ದ ವೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆಪ್ಪ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 15 kg ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಟೋಟಲ್ ವೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ 5 kg ಆಫ್ ಶುಗರ್, 5 ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಶುಗರ್. ಹಾಗಾದ್ರೆ 5 ಪ್ಯಾಕೆಟ್ ಶುಗರ್ದ ಒಟ್ಟು ವೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನ 4 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮನ್ನು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ. ದೆನ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್, ಕನ್ವರ್ಟ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋವಿಂಗ್. 7 kg means how many gram, 16 gram means how many milligram. This one, second one. Today is your homework. Okay, do it fast. Then you have to send WhatsApp through. Okay, thank you.